My job without Motive, I would need a lot more people in my department. We have about 3,000 assets, and it's everything from bucket trucks to chippers to giraffes, tree trimmers. Any way you can cut a tree, we probably have the equipment for it. So the kind of accidents we were having, our most common one is rolled vehicles. So when we would see that on a GPS only, we would hear of a rolled truck and you couldn't actually see the footage. You just have map dots, you have some speed graphs, and you're assuming a lot of things. And so litigation can take much longer, it's much tougher to prove what actually happened. Now that we have the Motive data, it's handled within one day instead of dragging out for years. It tells us what's driving the safety within our fleet. You were able to pivot off of all the different harsh events, the AI triggered events, and you can build safety programs around that. So weather conditions play a huge part in our emergency response. When we're on our way to storm, typically there's inclement weather and you need to account for that. So with the weather overlay from Motive, we're able to see where our drivers are at, we're able to see how it relates to weather conditions.
We have flood zone maps, we have the track of the storm, we have outage maps. We kind of use all that information, communicating back and forth with the crews and make sure we're all in a safe location.
I think there's a lot of things that Motive tells us that in the past we may just have a lot of individuals trying to collect information from different systems. Using one platform, I can consolidate all the information, and it is a huge time saving.
It's been game-changing for the company. I know that. It goes back to having a system that you can actually trust, and that's a big driving factor for us.
So my advice when vetting Motive is you really got to stand them up against the competition. And I think Motive will prove to be the best one.